Hello. Today we are looking at how to install LibreSprite on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will change two settings on our Chromebook to improve the performance of the game. To do this, we will go to these pages and enable the changes. The links are in the video description. Now we will reboot our Chromebook. Now we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install LibreSprite. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. Now we will install LibreSprite. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. Now we need to set permissions for a tool which we need to launch LibreSprite. LibreSprite is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy!